Hi, I'm Wakey, your alarm clock. My job is to wake you up, but did you know? Sleep is just as important.
Many people stay up late. Scrolling on their phones, watching videos, or playing games. But your brain needs rest. Without sleep, it gets tired and can't focus well.
While you sleep, your body repairs itself and restores energy.
Even when you sleep, your brain stays active. Whew, that's why we dream. Without enough sleep, you feel tired, can't learn well, and get irritated easily.
That's why getting enough sleep every night is important. I'll always remind you.
Good sleep keeps your body healthy and your day full of energy.